Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB Tex interior, sunroof. Come around back. GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power lift gate. Set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a lane assist and a blind spot assist. Harman Kardon sound system. Memory seats. Heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. Touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. Dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE has 26,065 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.